Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your browser or YouTube app is updated. This avoids quirks. Open the video you want and begin playback so controls appear. On desktop, right-click the video twice to reveal the browser PyP option, or use the three-dot menu on mobile and choose Picture-in-Picture. If PyP isn't visible, enable it in your browser's experimental features or app settings. Once done, the video will detach into a floating window you can move and resize. With the floating window visible, click and drag a corner to resize. Most players respect the video's 16:9 aspect ratio, so resizing is proportional. Drag the whole pop-up to a convenient corner so it doesn't block important content. On some systems, use shortcuts, Alt plus Tab or a dedicated PyP key to snap it to edges. Make sure audio focus is what you expect by testing playback while switching apps. This lets you watch while working without constantly returning to the original tab. To finish, use the PyP window's simple controls to pause, seek, or return to the full tab when you need more options. If you want a different video or higher quality, go back to the YouTube tab and change the source. The pop-up will update or close depending on platform rules. If Picture-in-Picture doesn't appear or stutters, restart the browser or app, disable conflicting extensions, and clear cache. This usually resolves permission or playback conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.